Forefront has allowed our geometry and construction class to experience solar power. We were trying to search for a connection that was scaled down to the point where kids could look at individual components and inverters and solar panels and the wiring thereof. So this kit was designed for an RV and it fits perfectly on top of our shed. Thank you, Forefront, for providing that connection.
Forefront Power has been able to work with some of these kids here. We got these solar panels that are going up. They're gonna be able to work with the autos lifts that we have. Kids are learning directly from people that are in the trades. You know, that's their actual profession.
It's so much fun. It's one of my favorite experiences. This is a field that's dominated by boys, so when you're one of the only girls doing it, it's a lot of fun, and it's like, this is my turn, I get to do this. It's a lot of fun.